it's Tony talking car biz. Check it out. Got in our first 2019 Toyota Tundra. Toyota Tundra is a full-size pickup. It's the biggest truck Toyota makes, and the Tundra really is a powerhouse. So this is a 2019. Not a lot of changes for 2019 in the Tundra, as 2020 should be a complete redesign of the truck. So not a lot of changes, but this is a TRD Pro 4x4 off-road, and the TRD Pro includes Bilstein shocks. You can see them in here, and they're tuned for trail riding. It also includes these 18-inch alloy wheels and tires, of course the TRD decals, and then we have a Class 3 trailer towing package, and it is pre-wired. The tailgate does have a backup camera built right into it, and this particular one has the factory spray and bed liner with the easy access tailgate. So overall, it's got the floor mat, the factory mud flaps. There's your TRD badging. This one does have carpeted floor mats and the all-season floor mats right here. Cloth interior on this particular one. You can get it with leather if that's important to you. Jumping up front, power seats, power windows. It does have a power rear window. That's what this switch is. Fingertip controls for your sound system, your cruise control, all there. This one does have navigation and a backup camera, air conditioning, and automatic transmission. So there's tons and tons of features on the TRD Pro, and this is the SR5 package, which has a slew of features as well. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. See fog lights up front, big bold Toyota logo, and a chrome grille, and then it also has skid plates underneath there as well as part of that TRD Pro package. So we'll be getting more in. This is our first one. Feel free to stop by or give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a price on any vehicle of your choice or any Tundra of your choice. Thanks for watching.